This is how to explode your social media and rank in the first page of Google with the only marketing hack that works every single time. Guys, if you don't know me, I'm Konstantinos from Simply Digital. I have 2.56 million followers on TikTok and Instagram, and I used this hack to know exactly what my audience wants and make it happen. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do support this effort because more gems are coming weekly. Let's do this. So guys, we will need this amazing tool. It's called SEMrush. It's probably the most insightful marketing tool out there to understand your audience, improve your SEO, explode your content marketing efforts, and beat your competitors like a pro. And not just that, improve your social media marketing, your paid advertising efforts. You're gonna see how many different choices you have with that. So without further ado, let's jump to it. So this is the main dashboard right here. You're gonna see that you have a bunch of different options and tools right here, and the big categories of things you can do SEO wise. You see that below every category you have different tools: local SEO, advertising, content marketing, which is the first thing that we're gonna check right now. Trends, so what is happening right now in real time on the web, on your niche, with your competitors. So important to be aware of what's happening out there so you know exactly how to beat them. So first things first, we're gonna go to content marketing, then select topic research. And here we're gonna perform a topic research about the niche that we're interested in. This could be anything: fitness, keto diet, Instagram marketing, TikTok marketing, influencer marketing, fashion bloggers, you name it. There is no limitation at all. Everything that is happening in Google can be searched here as well. So I will search for Instagram tips. Let's say that I am an Instagram coach and I want to research what's happening regarding this related topic. I will choose the market that I'm interested in because of course every single country has a different search field. So you need to understand who is dominating the market, who is first, what is the competition, what people are looking for in this specific country, so you are able to compete against them. I will go for United States, get content ideas. Alternatively, you can also select a domain, so a competitor or yours. Now, check it out. You get a mind map here with different kind of topics related to Instagram tips, like social media platforms, call to action, Instagram bio. I'll make it larger so you can see user-generated content. And you see that for each of these topics, you had suggested headlines. What kind of article you need to create or what kind of social media post you need to create that will get attention and traffic. What is the user-generated content and why is it important? You don't need to think at all. You just get it and you start writing about it. What is user-generated content? 9 tips and examples. How to do more with user-generated content on Instagram. And here you see also questions like how. People love to ask in Google how to do this, what I'm doing with that, why is this happening? So you see questions categorized by this search term. What do you mean by link in the bio on Instagram? Many people have no idea what is that. What are some of the amazing Instagram bios? People are looking for inspiration or guidance. You can export the topic to an XLS sheet so you have everything gathered in one place. I love the cards part. You're gonna see something really crazy here. You get all the topics by popularity. You see here that the profile picture when it comes to Instagram tips is the most popular topic. 3 times more popular than Instagram stories. Check the volume of search. 74,000 searches are looking answers for questions like these ones. The anatomy of a perfect Instagram profile. How to make a brilliant Instagram profile. How to choose the perfect Instagram profile picture. You see the difficulty, how efficient the topic is. And if you select this option here, the trending subtopics first, you get all the topics listed by popularity as we have them now. So all you gotta do, guys, really, this is no nuclear physics. Either open a document like Trello that I have. You see here that I have a Trello document with many ideas per category like digital marketing, social media tips, NFT related. So I am putting inside things that I'm finding in SEMrush, or different ideas that I have in my head because of my experience in content creation. So I have put everything together. You can also use a document like Notion. Many people work differently. Some people prefer Trello, some people prefer Google Sheet. Notion is a great tool as well. You can categorize your posts like this for you or your clients, or you can just add to your favorites specific topics that you find through the SEMrush search like this. Add to your favorite. We will add this one also to our favorites. Then we're gonna go to Instagram stories and add this to our favorites and this one. And if you go here, you already have the things that you need to start preparing for, right? Now, for your social media, guys, all you need to do is start creating videos, short videos about this theme. And if you need ideas about what to talk about it, you can go to Copy AI, go to Blog Post Wizard, copy the topic right here, enter your blog post, write some keywords like Instagram tips, post, generate outline. And here you have the main outline of the talking point that your video or Instagram post carousel need to have. If you want to create a carousel, which is a great medium, especially for Instagram, to grow your channel, you can go to Canva, search for carousel, select a template. This one is free, for example, it's a great one. You can find it here, and you can start posting the content, personalizing your branding, like putting the title here, adjusting it. You can add images, of course. Personalize it with your images or branding or whatever you want. Change the colors, of course. It's my own one. Change the letters, the colors, the effects. So you can play with Canva. It's a great website. And you can create beautiful carousels like this one. Now for your blog, because as we said, you need content. You need to write articles that answer the questions that we found in SEMrush, and you need to deliver content as frequently as possible. Ideally, I would like you to write them on your own, with your expertise, with your own words, with your own voice. Nothing beats original and native. AI is great, but it's not yet better than experts. Okay, so if you're able, and ideally this is my recommendation to you, try to write those posts, those scripts, those videos on your own with your experience. Now, if you're not able to do it, instead of doing absolutely nothing, use Copy AI, generate the content. So you see here we have the outline ready. You can edit, you can modify, adjust, remove, regenerate, and you see that it's developing the whole article within seconds. Check how long it takes to write a full article of 1,500, 2,000 words. Final content here, create blog post, and that's it. This is almost 1,000 words. If I want to extend it, I can do it. So add more talking points, or ask it to make this sentence, for example, a bit lengthier, and you can take this article and start posting it on your blog post. Now, if you want to use Copy AI, which for me, as I said in my previous videos, is probably the best AI generator of content, you can use my discount code in the description. Now, another pro tip for guys who want to make the extra mile, research their competitors, understand what they're doing, where they're getting their traffic from, is by going to SEO Organic Research, put your competitor's domain here, Patel, search, check it out. I'm gonna see for which organic keywords he's ranking first, his top pages, his main competitors. This is the part I love the most, because by understanding your competitors' key pages, you can adjust your own ones the same way by focusing in the same keywords, hijacking those traffic pages by building your own in a richer way. Make them lengthier, make them more updated, put more videos inside them. See what are the keywords that are ranking for, like these ones, and start putting them in your content as well. There's so many different things that you can do with this tool. I can really spend hours explaining them to you. If you're really serious about becoming a top-level marketeer, this is a must. It's a bit expensive, but you can really run a whole business with this. You can understand how to win everybody else in your competition. You can also offer these tools to your clients for a lot of money. Now, the great news is that if you're looking this, and this is still valid because today it's 23 of November, the 23rd of November. So this offer is valid. This is only for new users. And SEMrush is available, the SEMrush Guru plan is available 40% off. And this includes all these amazing tools, the SEO, social and PPC tools, the content marketing toolkit, and the Guru perks. for 3 or 6 months. So if you want to grab the deal, take it in my link in bio. Now, if you're watching this video after the Black Friday period, I have a unique link. You can check it also in the description. It's this one that you're going to see in the screen. And you can try SEMrush to familiarize with it, see if it's good for you, and you get it 2 weeks for free. So guys, thanks for watching until the end. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like it, share it with whoever you want, subscribe to the channel, let's support this effort, hit the bell icon so you're first before everybody else who gets the knowledge, and until next time, simply hustle.